Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, February the 17th and 18th, 2024. In this puzzle page, I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, the binary, and one is left. The Tectonic, aka JigsawSudoku. In Dutch they call cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and this one will be number 8024. 024. Before I start, I always count up 3 digits. This one is 16. Should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10, 20 digits. This one has 16, so I think it's a 1 star, maybe 2 stars. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 2 stars, need 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. The first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple box? I see here a triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. More triple boxes here? No. How about quarter boxes? I see here quarter box, there quarter box. Well, this one, these 3 boxes, 1 and 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, oh wait, we have here also a quarter box. But I cannot fill those boxes, yes. I need more information, insufficient information right now. Okay, let me continue with my strategy. Yeah, I'm looking for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the Z construction. If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the Z. If you flip that shape, then you will get the S construction. It's the same shape. All right, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, the Z construction. Only one Z construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Do you have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Can I place? No. Here then. Here. I can place the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadrat box should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quadrat box should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. And this box is connected with that box. So we saw 1 and a 4. So one of the missing number in this area is number 2. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we already have a 2 here. So no 2 there, so the only place left of the 2 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Okay. Then, let me see. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be a 3. We need a 3 in this area. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes in there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, so we saw 2. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. So 2 numbers left in this corner box for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadrat box should be there. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. So be so 1. 1 box left in this quadrat box for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quadrat box for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this Z construction should be there. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, but also these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, but also that box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. Alright. Okay. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then, let me see. This box can be 3. This box can be 5. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. 4 numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. The other pair in this area are the numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 1, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then these two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So not a solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Then this box can be a 5. Oh wait. Let me see. 5, 4, 3. Come on. 4, 5, 3. Well, interesting. I'm stuck here. Cannot believe this. 3. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, so should be 4 or a 5. So the 3 should be in one of those two boxes. Okay. 3 and a 5. Well, could be a 4 here. This box should be, can be 3, can be 4, but also can be a 5. So 1 or a 2 here. 1 or a 2. I'm stuck here. Cannot believe this. Is this correct? Is this correct? Yeah. Here should be a 1. I need a 3 here. I need to trigger those numbers 3 or 5. So cannot be a 4 here. So the 4 should be in one of those two boxes. Could be a 5 here also. 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, yeah. 3 or 4. 1, 2, 5. So 3 or 4. Okay. This box can be. I'm stuck here. Did I make a mistake? Overlooked this 1. 1 and a 5, we already have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. Overlooked this one. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box. These 3 boxes. So the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well. Still faster than 50 minutes. Definitely a 1 star or a 0 stars puzzle, and faster than 40 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. New day. Sunday. With extra puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now and have a great and fantastic Saturday.